Hi guys, welcome back. Just quickly to show you some jewellery bits that came in a job lot from eBay, and there are quite a lot of bits of jewellery and sort of loose beads. So I'll just show you very quickly. This is a lot of it is plastic, and there were some glass beads on these. Some of them are handmade. These are plastic, sort of like lava beads. There are some glass beads, ceramic beads. This is actually quite nice. I like the colours. Then you have this one, which is chain with some glass beads, which is quite nice. It's quite colourful, summery. It's got this string stuff on as well, which is kind of feeling a bit manky, so I mean that could be taken apart and made into something else. And then you have this one, which is quite nice. It's sort of like, I think it's like a resin. These are plastic, these are glass. You also have some chain that's some head pins, eye pins that have seen better days. The chain is quite old, and it also has a clasp on there. So yes, I mean some of these bits are really nice. You can like resell, but some are for the bin. But these ones are not too bad. This is purple wooden necklace. All these beads on here are wooden as well. I mean if you like purple, then obviously this will be, and obviously if you like wood, then that would be a really nice necklace to wear. Oops, there are some pearls in there, sort of glass pearls. Again, this one has been made, you can see. I'm sorry guys about the light today. It's quite a dreary day, so it's trying to get the light right so you can see things better. And this one is plastic. It's got kind of sort of spotted detail. So yeah, that's another one. Very plasticky, that one. And then there were some earrings in there, which I thought were quite sweet. I mean, you could, just untangle it a little bit. They've got chain on the bottom, and they've got this little bird on them, which are quite cute. Sort of a bit of chain and a bead. Silver plated. This metal bit is actually quite heavy. You can see the bird on there. It's quite nice. So there's a pair of those. I mean, you could keep it as it is and just change the ear wire, so they're quite cute. And then you have some loose beads. These are, I don't know if you can actually see them, so I'll take a couple out of the bag. They are actually sort of like black kind of faceted sort of crystal beads. Oh, I'm dropping some now. And then they come all different sizes. So I mean they can be put onto a nice necklace, bracelet, or you make a pair of earrings, or make all three, sort of a matching set. So they're quite nice. So I may use those ones later on. I normally give some beads a wash when I have some, because otherwise you don't know where they've been, and and I'll just take them out of the bag so you can see better. These are purple ones, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They're the purple on this one is really, really nice, and these are like a mother of pearl, but they are actually glass. All glass beads. These at first, these ones here, I thought were acrylic at first, but they're not, they're glass. Really, really nice. So I may do a necklace with those, with the black ones I just showed you. That would be quite nice. And then this one, sort of a bag of, I tip them out, a bag of sort of these sort of beads. There's one of those, and there's two of these pretty ones. So yeah, and then you have these kind of sort of, I don't know what they are. So they're a ring. They're metal. It's like a sort of a closed jump ring, but sort of patterned, sort of embossed maybe. It's quite nice. There's 3 of those, so you know, making a necklace, you know, with 3, and then there was some sort of odd bits of chain, which are actually, I think they are stainless steel, because they are, you know, really solid, really really good chain there. So that's it for the beads, or the loose bits as well. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make something and then add something to the end of this video when This is the necklace that I've made using all the bits of jewellery and loose beads that were in that bag that I showed you. The only thing that is different that I've added is these purple 6mm glass beads, and what I've done is I've actually made sort of two sort of cluster sections, and then added the silver kind of sort of embossed patterned jump rings there. And then what I've done is this part of the necklace, I'll show you a bit closer in a minute, that what I've done is I've added some wire and I've crimped both ends, both the same length, and then added jump rings at the top, and then the chain that was in the bag. This chain was in the bag as well, and all I've really added that's out of my bits and bobs is the jump rings, the eye pin, and also these clear acrylic beads and the seed beads. So basically, I'll show you a bit closer up. It is quite nice. I'm quite pleased with it. Let's move that out of the way. And so basically, it's the cluster here. I've added an eye pin at the bottom, and hold on one second. Let's turn it round because it's, there we go. Right. So what I've done is added the jump ring on. I've added the nice bead, the purple beads at the bottom. I've added a section of cluster, and then as I said, I've added the area of beads there, and using the wire and the crimps, and then just generally done the same at the end, and then added some chain. I'm very pleased with it. It's come out really nice. It's quite heavy, heavier than I thought it will be, but it's okay. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up, and like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.